essential for connecting and coordinating all computer components, enabling communication, power distribution, and system functionality. My today's video is about top 5 best computer motherboard that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Asus Computer Motherboard, the AMD AM5 motherboard is a powerhouse for gamers and PC enthusiasts, fully compatible with Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors. Its enhanced 12+2 teamed power stages, 8+4 ProCool sockets, alloy chokes, and durable capacitors provide stable, reliable power delivery even under heavy workloads, ensuring peak CPU performance. Next-gen connectivity options make this motherboard future-ready, featuring M.2 PCIe 5.0 slots, USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, front USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C, and USB 4 support for lightning-fast data transfer and peripheral connections. Networking is seamless with Wi-Fi 6, Realtek 2.5 Gigabits Ethernet, and TUFLA and guard protection, perfect for online gaming. Two-way AI noise cancellation enhances communication by reducing background noise during games or video calls, while comprehensive cooling solutions, including enlarged VRM and PCH heatsinks, M.2 heatsinks, hybrid fan headers, and Fan Expert 2 Plus, keep the system running efficiently. The Aura Sync RGB effects and addressable RGB headers add stylish customization options, making this motherboard a perfect combination of performance, stability, and aesthetics for any high-end gaming build. Now our second product is ASRock Computer Motherboard. The Mini IDX motherboard is an exceptional choice for compact builds, measuring just 170 by 170 mm while supporting AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors. Despite its small footprint, it delivers premium power with a 10+1+1 phase design and 110A Smart Power Stage (SPS), ensuring stable performance even under heavy workloads. Memory performance is outstanding, with 2 DDR5 DIMM slots supporting dual-channel configurations and overclock speeds up to 8200+ MHz, perfect for gaming and content creation. The PCIe 5.0x16 slot allows next-generation graphics cards to perform at their peak, maximizing gaming and rendering performance in tight spaces. Storage is lightning-fast with dual M.2 slots, Blazing M.2, PCIe Gen 5x4, and Hyper M.2, PCIe Gen 4x4, ensuring rapid read/write speeds and ample storage options. Networking is advanced, featuring killer 2.5G LAN and Wi-Fi 6E with Bluetooth for seamless connectivity. Flexible display options with HDMI and USB Type-C, DisplayPort Alt Mode, make multi-monitor setups easy, making this motherboard a powerhouse for small form factor enthusiasts. Our third product is Asus Computer Motherboard. This AM5 motherboard is a powerhouse for AMD Ryzen desktop processors, supporting the 7000, 8000, and 9000 series. Users may need a BIOS update when pairing with the 8000 or 9000 series, but once configured, it delivers impressive stability and performance. The robust power solution features 12+2 power stages, 8+4 ProCool power connectors, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, ensuring consistent and reliable energy delivery to multi-core processors even during heavy gaming or intensive workloads. Thermal management is optimized with massive VRM heatsinks, strategically cut airflow channels, and high-conductivity thermal pads to maintain low temperatures and maximize performance under prolonged use. Storage and expansion options are cutting-edge, including a PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot and 2 PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, all equipped with heatsinks to maintain optimal performance. This makes the motherboard ideal for high-speed storage and next-generation graphics cards. Overall, it's a perfect combination of power, cooling, and future-ready expansion for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts seeking a reliable AM5 platform. Now number 4, GB Computer Motherboard. This AM4 motherboard is an excellent choice for users building a system around 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen processors. Its dual-channel DDR4 memory support with 2 DIMM slots allows for flexible and high-speed memory configurations, providing smooth performance for both gaming and productivity tasks. The optimized VRM heatsink, combined with a direct 6-phase digital PWM design featuring 55A DRMOS, ensures stable power delivery, keeping the CPU cool and reliable even under heavy workloads. This makes it ideal for overclocking enthusiasts or users looking for long-term stability. For expansion and storage, the motherboard includes a PCIe 3.0x16 slot, perfect for graphics cards, and a high-speed NVMe PCIe 3.0x4 M.2 slot, offering fast SSD storage for quick boot times and responsive system performance. Audio performance is handled by the ALC887 audio codec, delivering clear and immersive sound for gaming, media, and calls. Overall, this motherboard combines solid power delivery, efficient cooling, and versatile connectivity in a compact, reliable AM4 package. And our last choice is MSI Computer Motherboard. This motherboard is a powerhouse for gamers and PC enthusiasts, designed to support 3rd-gen AMD Ryzen processors and future Ryzen CPUs with a simple BIOS update. Its dual-channel DDR4 memory support up to 128GB at 4400 MHz ensures ultra-fast system performance and smooth multitasking for gamers. The PCIe 4.0 slot, Lightning Gen 4 M.2 with M.2 Shield Frozzer, and AMD Turbo USB 3.2 Gen 2 deliver lightning-fast data transfer and low-latency gameplay. Core Boost technology ensures precise and stable power delivery to the CPU, maximizing performance during intense workloads or overclocking. Audio is exceptional thanks to Audio Boost with Realtek ALC892/ALC897 codec, delivering studio-grade sound quality for immersive gaming or media experiences. The premium thermal solution, including high-conductivity heatsink thermal pads and a 2 ounces thickened copper PCB, keeps components cool under heavy load. Additional features like the Flash BIOS button allow for easy BIOS updates even without CPU or memory installed. This motherboard combines speed, stability, and advanced features, making it perfect for high-performance gaming rigs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.